I am Sabbir Ahmed. Today my topic is about history of Bangladesh. Now I am going to say something the history of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a country in South Asia with a rich and long history. In ancient times, this land was part of different kingdoms such as Pondra, Bongo, and Somotot. It was known for trade, agriculture, and culture. During the medieval period, Muslim rulers established their role and Islam spread widely. Later, Bangladesh came under British rule in 1757 after the Battle of Polashi. In 1947, when British India was divided, Bangladesh became East Pakistan while Pakistan's other part was West Pakistan. However, the people of East Pakistan faced discrimination in language, economy, and politics. In 1952, the language movement began to protect the Bengali language. This movement later inspired the struggle for independence. Finally, after a 9-month liberation war in 1971, Bangladesh became an independent country on 16th December 1971.